I'm going to show you how you can easily return Amazon items in Canada. First, open your Amazon application on your mobile device. Then, tap on the profile icon located next to the home icon at the bottom of the screen. Now navigate to your account settings. Next, tap on Contact Us to access customer support options. In the search bar, type Return to find relevant return options. Now scroll down and tap on Return Items you ordered to start the return process. If the item was a gift, tap on Return a Gift for the appropriate instructions. Here, you will find detailed information regarding the return process. Tap on Refund to proceed. Next, tap on Your Orders to view the list of items you have purchased. From here, you can select the item you wish to return and follow the prompts to complete your return.